Good afternoon. Are you Miss Emily Carter?
Yes, that's me. Do you have a package for me?
Yes, ma'am. I have a delivery from Homestyle Appliances.
Great! I've been waiting for this package all week.
Before I hand it over, may I confirm your address?
Sure. It's 245 Maple Street, Brooklyn, New York.
Perfect. That matches the information on my delivery list.
Wonderful. What time did you start delivering today?
I started around 8 o'clock this morning. It's been a busy day.
I can imagine. Do you deliver in this neighborhood often?
Yes, I come to this area almost every day.
That's nice. So, what do I need to do to receive the package?
First, please inspect the package for any visible damage.
Let me take a look. The box seems to be in good condition.
That's good to hear.
Actually, what is marked on the package?
It says it's an automatic coffee maker.
Excellent. I ordered it for my kitchen.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I usually have 2 cups every morning.
Then this delivery arrived at the perfect time.
Absolutely. I've been using an old coffee machine for years.
Hopefully, this new one will make your mornings easier.
I hope so. Is a signature required?
Yes, please sign here on the screen.
All right. Is this signature clear enough?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I open the package now?
Of course, some customers prefer to check the item immediately.
Let me get a pair of scissors.
Take your time.
Okay, I've opened the box.
Is everything inside?
Let me check. The coffee maker is here, along with the instruction manual.
That's great.
There is also a measuring spoon and a reusable filter.
It sounds like the complete package.
Yes, everything seems to be included.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do many people order kitchen appliances these days?
Yes, especially coffee makers, air fryers, and blenders.
Online shopping has become very convenient.
That's true. People save time by ordering from home.
Have you been working as a delivery driver for a long time?
For about 3 years now.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I meet different people every day.
I suppose every day is different.
Exactly. Some days are quiet while others are very busy.
What happens if someone isn't home during delivery?
Usually we leave a notice and attempt delivery again.
That makes sense.
Fortunately, you were available today.
Yes, I adjusted my schedule because I didn't want to miss this package.
Smart decision.
By the way, thank you for handling the package carefully.
You're welcome. We always try our best to deliver items safely.
I appreciate that.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, how can I contact customer service if I have questions later?
The contact number and website are printed on your receipt.
I see them now. Thank you for pointing that out.
No problem at all.
You've been very helpful.
Thank you. I appreciate your kindness.
I hope the rest of your deliveries go smoothly today.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your new coffee maker.
I'm sure I will.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Drive safely.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and thanks again.